Hello all, welcome to binaryicons.com. In this video I am going to show you the DHCP configuration wired and wireless in the packet tracer. So this is our lab structure. This is a server with DHCP server. It's connected to the switch. Switch is connected to the PC0, PC1 and PC2, the port F01, F02 and F03 respectively. If I open the PC0 for the example, go to the desktop IP config and requesting for the DHCP IP address, you see that the DHCP request is failed. So we need to configure a DHCP server to gain the DHCP IP address. So open the DHCP server, go to the desktop. We need to configure static IP address, subnet mask and default gateway and DNS server. So I'm using IP address 10.1.1.10, subnet mask is 255.0.0.0, default gateway is 10.1.1.1 and DNS server is going to use a Google DNS server for this example. So this is set. Go to the configuration and DHCP. In the DHCP I'm going to use the default pool name server pool. For our default gateway is 10.1.1.1. DNS is also same 8.8. Start IP address is 10.1.1.20. Subnet mask is 8. Okay, maximum user set 20 and all settings are set. Click on the save button right here, so it save for configuration. Now let's open the PC0 and I have configuration request for DHCP and the IP address is set 10.1.1.21 because I start from the 20. Default the subnet mask and default gateway also set. So our DHCP is working perfectly. Same method in PC1, requesting for DHCP. The IP address is 22 and the PC2 IP address must be 23. Here it is. So we successfully configure the DHCP server in the packet tracer. So this connection is wired connection. If you want to configure same DHCP server method in wireless, let me show you that how to configure it. I'm going to use one PC, is one server. Okay, server we need to modify in the hardware setting physical. So just turn on this button and remove this fast Ethernet and use a wireless. Turn on it. Same method in PC3. Turn off. Remove this fast Ethernet and use this wireless. Turn on. Okay. Now set DHCP IP addresses in the DHCP server. In this case I am going to use 172.16.1.10, 16.1.1 and DNS is same configuration in DHCP. Use a default gateway is 172.16.1.1. DNS server is 8.8.8.8. The starting IP is 1.50. Maximum user is 20 and the setting is set. Click on the save, so it will save your setting. To communicate between these two machines we need an access point. So I'm going to use in wireless device Now use a generic access point right here, and you can see that it is connected with the PC3 and server. So the access point is created, and if I open the PC3, the desktop ipconfig, and our DHCP request is set successfully. Let's try again. DHCP request, and it's configured for 51 172.16.1.51. Suppose if I put another PC right here, and in physical just turn off, remove this, and use this wireless, turn on again, see that it's connected to the access point, wireless, desktop, IP configuration, and IP address gain 1.52. So this is how to configure the DHCP server and PCs wireless using access. So this is the configuration of DHCP in Packet Tracer. Thanks for watching, and for more videos visit our website binaryhackers.com.